Welcome to Computers Repair Plus. This is Morshid. Today, I'm here to give you guys some update regarding Remarkable 2 power button jump power button repair. So I just want to let you guys know we are still repairing Remarkable jumped power button or damaged power button or whatever is case. We are still fixing Remarkable 2. Today, as of May 5th, 2023, and we repairing Remarkable 2, I think is end of the 2020 or could be beginning of the 2021. I could be wrong. I cannot exactly remember the month or year because I uploaded the first video even after a couple months after I have done the repair of the Remarkable 2 back 2020, I guess it's November, December. However, as of 2023, I'm still repairing Remarkable 2 jump power button at Computers Repair Plus, Florida, Bradenton City. Our store location is 1829 Lakewood, Blvd, Bradenton, Florida 34211. And our contact number is 941-567-6431. So again, I try to keep updated you guys all the time through the YouTube channel at RMIT Vision and Computers Repair Plus. Also, sometimes I try to update you guys through the Facebook page as a Computers Repair Plus. Because of the price sometimes is changing. We started in the beginning I think 199, and now the total repairing cost for Remarkable 2, especially for the jammed power button or damaged power button, the flat cost is now $150. That's including the return shipping cost if you were in United States of America, all the states in US. So if you are outside of the US, we are not responsible for any shipping cost. You have to pay your own shipping cost, and probably we will consider some repairing cost for your case, since we don't have to take care about the shipping. Yes, so that's all. Again, this is Morshid from Computers Repair Plus. I just want to show you guys we are still repairing the Remarkable. As I can show you the another Remarkable we just received today, and over there inside the HP box, the customer used the HP box for send the Remarkable to us, and on the decks I think our the other technician he already moved another one or probably already shipped out. I'm not sure, but again I just want to show you hearing the Remarkable 2 jam power button daily basis, and we are receiving too many devices from different states. Sometimes I think few devices even we receive outside of the US, especially from the Canada. Yeah, so I feel so good because I'm still able to help people who looking for repair their Remarkable devices, and we can pretty much do any kind of diagnostic for Remarkable 2, but we are a little bit limited for the screen repair and the battery replacement due to the parts availability issue. But if your device is under warranty and if the manufacturer they're able to send you a parts, and definitely we can help you to replacement and like install it. Yeah, also we can do the diagnostic process if not turning on, even if your power button is good, not charging issue. Remove any shorted from the circuit board, though is depending on the issue of the circuit board. Yeah, definitely we can help about that. And another update I have that is about. Alright, and that is the case is if your power button is completely damaged from the circuit, even from the main circuit board, if need to solder a new one or need to do the customized one, we are going to do that with the same cost. There is no additional cost for install a customized power button if needed. If need to solder, we will do that. There is no additional cost. The cost is flat cost is $150. That's including the return shipping cost. And yeah, oh, by the way, very most important thing, who really need the help to repair the remarkable. I hope you already, guys, everybody knows, if your data is not already synced with your cloud, and definitely you don't have to worry, and after repair the device is going to sync with your cloud when we turn on the computer, when it's going to connect with the Wi-Fi network. And the good thing is, even we don't need your passcode or password for unlock the device after repair it, because of we are working on hardware just for the power issue. So we are not going to work on software, so we don't need even your passcode or anything. So there is 100% secure. That's for 100% guarantee. I can give you guys, as a owner of the Computer Repair Plus, as a senior of the a senior technician of the Computer Repair Plus, I'm only the person mostly working on all of the remarkable jammed or diagnosed process we have done. So last couple of years, I'm the only person who repaired all of the remarkable, especially the jam power button we receiving daily basis. And yeah, that's the updates I have today for you guys. I just want to let you know we are still repairing the remarkable, especially the jammed power button. And if you have any question, any concern, anything, just give us a call, send us an email through our website www.computersrepairplus.com, or just search with the Computers Repair Plus in Google somewhere. Probably you will able to catch us. Or you can send us the text message to 941-567-6431, or you can comment below of YouTube videos or Facebook videos, whatever you see these videos, you can just comment below, and I will try my best to respond as soon as I can. And yeah, that's all. And I'm so happy, and I'm so happy to help you guys. If you are stuck, especially for your data need to sync due to damage the power button or whatever needed to repair, we can definitely help you to do that. And again, thank you so much for watching the videos. Thank you so much for sending the business to us. And also, I'm also very blessed, and my pleasure to help you guys. And thank you. Have a good day.